дымоган. Там в кабине такой же дымоган.
Welcome to Extreme Loaders. Dive into the world of powerhouse machinery tackling the toughest terrains. From snow-covered forests to icy oceans. Witness unstoppable force and precision in action. Let's conquer every challenge together. Winter has fully arrived, blanketing every corner with thick snow, making forestry transport more challenging than ever. The Volvo Lesova's logging truck is struggling with the doubled workload and the relentless snow accumulation. This scene of the nearly dying tractor amidst the snowstorm showcases the immense power of modern machinery and highlights the technical team's resilience and determination. Despite the severe conditions, the team's unwavering spirit and cooperation prove that robust technology and teamwork can overcome even the most demanding challenges. Maneuvering an excavator onto a trailer is no simple task, especially in harsh weather conditions. This footage captures the skill and precision of the operator as they carefully load the excavator onto the trailer, ensuring its safety for the long haul ahead. The seamless coordination among team members highlights the professionalism and high expertise required in the transportation industry. Every meticulous step taken during this process is crucial for the mission's success, demonstrating the importance of teamwork and attention to detail in achieving efficient and safe operations. Witnessing the T-130 perform an incredible maneuver on challenging terrain is spectacular. This video showcases the machine's impressive strength and agility, almost as if it's dancing through obstacles. The operator's remarkable skill and experience shine through as they easily navigate the T-130 with finesse and overcome complex barriers. This performance highlights the machine's capabilities and emphasizes the harmonious relationship between human expertise and mechanical power, creating a visually stunning and inspiring display of technical prowess. Changing tires and logging with the TDT-55 is a testament to the meticulous preparation required for each journey. Regular maintenance ensures that the machinery operates efficiently and prolongs its lifespan, which is crucial in the demanding field of heavy industry. This footage underscores the importance of upkeep and care, demonstrating how well-maintained equipment is essential for tackling the toughest challenges. The dedication to maintenance reflects the team's commitment to excellence, ensuring that every piece of machinery is ready to perform at its best when needed. Clearing snow, extracting an excavator from the mud, and towing Kamaz trucks are no small feats, especially under harsh winter conditions. The relentless efforts of the technical team to overcome these obstacles highlight their determination and teamwork. This video not only showcases the raw power of the machinery but also the perseverance and problem-solving skills of the operators. Despite the adverse weather, the team's ability to adapt and work together ensures that operations continue smoothly, demonstrating the strength and resilience required to thrive in extreme environments. A dangerous situation unfolds as a trailer slips and overturns on a slippery descent due to an unexpected thaw. This footage is a crucial reminder of the importance of caution and thorough preparation when operating machinery in changing weather conditions. The sudden and unpredictable nature of the environment poses significant challenges, requiring technicians to remain vigilant and adaptable. This incident highlights the need for constant awareness and the ability to respond swiftly to ensure safety and prevent accidents, emphasizing the ever-present risks in such demanding settings. The TT4, a powerhouse from the Soviet era, demonstrates its incredible strength by pulling a 40-ton logging truck. This video is a tribute to classic machinery's enduring durability and effectiveness, still proving its worth in modern operations. The combination of traditional engineering and contemporary technology creates a unique synergy, showcasing how time-tested equipment can complement and enhance current practices. This scene honors the legacy of these robust machines and highlights their continued relevance and capability in today's demanding industrial landscape. Lifting a loaded logging truck with a small bulldozer proves to be an insurmountable challenge. This footage emphasizes the critical importance of selecting the right machinery for specific tasks. The inability of the miniature bulldozer to handle the heavy load underscores the necessity of proper equipment management and allocation. By choosing the appropriate machinery, the team can avoid potential setbacks and ensure that each task is completed efficiently and safely. This scenario highlights the wisdom in strategic planning and the significance of having the right tools for the job. Reviving a Kamaz truck and transporting tracked machinery along railway tracks showcases the versatility and expertise of the technical team. This video highlights the skill involved in repairing and maintaining heavy-duty vehicles and the adaptability required to handle diverse transportation methods. The successful restoration and movement of the Kamaz demonstrate the team's dedication to keeping equipment operational and ready for any challenge. This adaptability ensures that operations remain seamless, regardless of the obstacles or the specific requirements of each task. The team springs into action when the MTLB gets stuck in a bog to navigate and overcome the mire with their winter vehicles. This footage captures the determination and ingenuity required to tackle such challenging terrains. The team's ability to work together and employ effective strategies to free the stuck machinery highlights their resourcefulness and resilience. Despite the harsh conditions, their expertise ensures they can manage and resolve unexpected setbacks, demonstrating their unwavering commitment to maintaining progress even in complex environments. A convoy heading north, traversing the icy ocean, epitomizes the courage and perseverance of those involved in such perilous journeys. This video showcases the team's bravery while navigating treacherous conditions to complete their mission. The harsh Arctic environment tests the machinery and the operators, pushing them to their limits. Yet, their unwavering determination and teamwork enable them to overcome these formidable challenges, highlighting the spirit of resilience and the relentless pursuit of their objectives despite the extreme adversity faced. Pushing an excavator onto a trailer requires precise coordination and high-level teamwork. This footage illustrates the meticulous preparation and collective effort needed to ensure heavy machinery's safe and efficient transportation. Every movement is carefully calculated to prevent damage and stabilize the journey. The seamless collaboration among team members demonstrates their expertise and commitment to excellence. This process is a testament to the importance of detailed planning and synchronized teamwork in achieving successful and secure equipment transportation. Loading machinery onto a trailer for the first time is a pivotal moment filled with anticipation and precision. This video captures the careful actions taken to ensure everything is secure before embarking on a long journey. The team's attention to detail and collaborative efforts highlight the importance of thorough preparation in preventing mishaps and ensuring a smooth operation. This initial step sets the tone for the entire mission, emphasizing that a successful journey begins with careful planning and execution, ensuring that all equipment is ready to perform optimally throughout the trip. The final trip of the day, loading the DT-75 onto the Kamaz and heading home, marks the culmination of a productive work cycle. This footage symbolizes the completion of a day's hard work and the achievement of collective goals. The sense of accomplishment and relief as the team wraps up their tasks and prepares to return home is palpable. It highlights the importance of perseverance and dedication throughout the day and the satisfaction of successfully completing a mission. This moment serves as a reward for the team's efforts and motivation for future endeavors. Two tractor operators alongside a Kamaz truck during the winter exemplify the essence of teamwork and camaraderie. This video showcases the strong bond and mutual support between team members as they navigate the challenges of winter operations. Their collaboration and shared responsibility ensure that tasks are completed efficiently and safely, even in the most demanding conditions. This partnership enhances productivity and fosters a positive and supportive work environment where each member can rely on the other to overcome obstacles and achieve common goals. The final cargo transport of 2023 using the MTLB marks a significant milestone for the team. This footage highlights the professionalism and dedication required to successfully complete the year's last mission. It reflects the team's commitment to meeting deadlines and maintaining high standards throughout the year. This final trip serves as a stepping stone for future projects, showcasing the continuous growth and improvement within the transportation sector. The successful completion of this mission reinforces the team's readiness to tackle upcoming challenges with renewed energy and expertise. December 4, 2024, represents a pivotal date in the team's journey, capturing a significant event or memorable moment. This video may document a milestone achievement, a special event, or a moment of reflection on the team's progress and accomplishments. It serves as a reminder of the hard work and dedication that have brought the team to this point, celebrating their successes and setting the stage for future endeavors. This date symbolizes the culmination of past efforts and the anticipation of new challenges and opportunities. A bulldozer with a beam loaded onto a trailer, ready for a 150 kilometers journey. epitomizes the team's preparedness and determination. This footage showcases the meticulous planning and coordination required for such a long and demanding trip. The careful loading of the equipment ensures its safety and functionality throughout the journey. This mission highlights the team's commitment to excellence and ability to handle extensive tasks precisely and efficiently. The 150 kilometers journey is a testament to their logistical capabilities and their unwavering dedication to completing every mission successfully, no matter the distance or difficulty. Thanks for watching Extreme Loaders. If you enjoyed the action, give us a like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling adventures. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest missions. See you in the next video.